how to make $500 to $1,000 a day doing window tinting. All right, so we're outside of the location on Broad River of 48 Tint. All right, they did 2 of my vehicles. They do really good work, black-owned business. They've been here for years. So I had 2 tire shops up the road from them. Every single day they do about, I see at least 20 to 30 cars in the parking lot. If you can look, some people out there waiting now. But they do really good. So just say if you're into doing tint or you're already doing car detailing, an easy upgrade or add-on service would be window tinting. All right, to make $500 to $1,000 a day. All right, so just say the average cost of window tinting is between $60 and $100 per vehicle. All right, so we'll do the math on them. So just say they're doing 20 vehicles a day at $100. That's $2,000 a day. All right. Now, for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to get into this, what I would do is intern with somebody or volunteer or work with somebody that's already in